Those arguments, Betty, begin at 10 o'clock this morning. People have actually been lining up outside the Supreme Court since Sunday, hoping to get in and hear the arguments. One of the arguments over Proposition 8 in California, overturning the state marriage law. But the other issue that the justices will be considering actually has to do with federal equality, the Defense of Marriage Act, and, yes, taxes, specifically the estate tax. Now, right now, the surviving spouse in gay married couples is forced to foot the estate tax bill, while a heterosexual couple would get to delay until the death of the surviving spouse. Now, New York resident Edith Windsor sued the government over a $363,000 estate tax bill she got after her spouse died. Now, if they'd been heterosexual, the assets, again, would have been transferred to her tax-free. But bigger picture, of course, there are about 1,000 rights and benefits associated with being married. In some cases, married same-sex couples who now file separately would actually pay more filing together because of the marriage penalty. Now, bottom line here, Betty, it doesn't always pay to be married, but of course there are social and emotional impacts that the justices will be considering as well.
Megan,
Betty?
I also understand that you have an estimate of how much same-sex weddings could actually potentially add to the economy. So what did you find out here?
Yeah, we did some digging and we got a number in terms of weddings. $1.5 billion. Now, here's the breakdown. Here's how we got to that number. The average U.S. wedding costs a little over $25,000. But according to a research group at UCLA, most gay couples actually spend only about a quarter of that. Perhaps they have fewer guests, weddings that are planned very quickly. Well, the research group estimated that right now about 242,000 couples would marry, same-sex couples would marry if they could. So grand total, $1.5 billion. Again, it's a rough ballpark, likely on the low side.